Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have your file ready and a duplicate sheet. Now start by selecting the exact range or column with dashes. Once selected, think about intent. Do you want every dash removed or only those at the start or end of entries? Make sure cells are not locked and that you saved a copy. Early choices affect method selection, so decide now. Choosing the wrong approach can corrupt formulas, so prefer a duplicate sheet before you change data. Now perform the removal using the method that fits your data. For a quick global change, press Ctrl+H, enter and find, leave replace blank and hit replace all. This edits visibly and instantly. If you need non-destructive changes, use equals substitute, A2, in a helper column and fill down, then copy-paste values back. When dashes are structural, apply text to columns or flash fill to preserve splitting rules. Make sure formulas reference the right cells before copying values. Finish by replacing originals. Copy your helper column, then paste special values over the source range so formulas are removed. Once done, verify numbers. Removing dashes may convert numeric text. Use value or text to columns to restore numeric types. If you used find and replace and see unintended changes, press undo or revert to your backup tab. If only parts changed, reapply substitute selectively. A key tip: always inspect a few samples before committing to replace all, because undo may not recover external references.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.